Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 10 students and the topic of discussion is assertion and reason based questions. A couple of questions are asked in your exams on assertion and reason based. So you must be thorough with this topic. I will introduce to this topic and also give you a couple of examples. So what is assertion and reason based questions? Assertion is a statement which can be true or false. For example, root 2 is an irrational number is a true statement or a correct statement, whereas root 4 is a irrational number is false. What is reason? Reason is a statement which could be an explanation to assertion. So basically in your exam, two statement will be given like statement A and a statement R. These will be mathematical statements. You have to check both the statements and there will be four options given to you from A, B, C and D. You have to pick the right one. If both assertion A and reason are true, if both the statements are true and R is the correct explanation of assertion and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion, then you have to pick choice A. Similarly, if both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of assertion, then you have to take the option B. For option C, assertion A is true but reason is false, whereas for option D, assertion A is false but reason R is true. Let us take few examples. The first example, we are given an assertion statement as a quadratic polynomial will have exactly two zeros. And the statement R or reason is the equation x square plus x minus 6 has two real roots. Let us examine the first statement. A quadratic polynomial will have exactly two zeros is incorrect because it can have at most two zeros. It can have one zero also or it can have no zeros also. The statement A is not correct. Let us see statement R. The equation x square plus x minus 6 has two real roots. We can split this term as plus 2x and minus 3x, and on simplification we can get the roots as 2 and minus 3, which are both real. So this statement is correct. So we have to pick option D since assertion A is false but reason R is true. Let us take another example. In this particular example statement, assertion is given as root 5 is an irrational number. Yes, we know that root 5 is indeed an irrational number. And we examine the reason statement. The decimal expansion of root 5 is neither terminating nor recurring. Yes, this is the exact definition of the irrational number. So we observe that both statement A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation for the assertion statement. So we pick the option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Let us take another example. The sequence 1, 5, 9, 39 is an AP. And the sequence minus 4, minus 2, 0, 1 is an AP. Let us examine these two statements. In the first statement, let us see the common difference. 5 minus 1, 4, 9 minus 4, 13 minus 9, 4. So 4 is the common difference throughout. Yes, this sequence is an AP. This is true. Let us examine this statement. So minus 2 plus 4 will be 2, 0 plus 2 will be 2, 1 minus 0 will be 1. The common difference is not same. So this is not an AP. So the first term is correct and the second term is false. So we pick the option C. Assertion A is true but reason R is false. Let us take another example from trigonometry. Here the assertion statement is given as the value of sine theta is always less than 1. Yes, we know that sine theta value is always less than 1. So this statement is true. What about statement R? 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Yes, we know that from the second identity of trigonometry, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So this is also correct. But we observe that R is not explaining the assertion statement. However, both the statements are true. So we pick the option B, where both assertion and reason are true and reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. With this we conclude this video. I request friends to please subscribe my channel so that all latest videos can be released to you immediately on release. Thank you friends.